You're thinking about buying a new mattress, but you think your only option is memory foam because you have a latex allergy. Let's use this video to explain why a latex mattress is safe for you. So I made a recent video that I actually had done for some customers, and a lot of the comments were about the latex allergies and how they wish they could get the support of a latex mattress, but they have a latex allergy. Well, I want to explain why a latex mattress is perfectly safe for you. First, let's start with why some people are allergic to latex. The latex allergy actually comes from a protein, an enzyme that is within the latex. It's an unprocessed latex, such as a glove, such as some band-aids, such as some bandages, other personal items that have latex within them that is unprocessed. That protein is left on the latex, and when it comes in contact with the skin, or in some cases becomes airborne, can cause severe allergies. This is a serious issue for some and not so serious for others, but in all, it's a latex allergy. A latex mattress is actually a processed latex. It's baked and washed. Therefore, all of the proteins are nullified. They are baked away, they are washed away. Add to that, you're not coming in contact with the layer of latex. There's no skin contact with the latex. You actually have either other layers of foam on top, or you have a cover, the ticking of the mattress, that is separating you from actually touching the latex material. Latex is a wonder foam. It's a rubber, it's not a foam, so it lasts a lot longer, and that's why a lot of people are really liking the mattresses that are made with latex foam. The support is far superior to memory foam. With latex, you have immediate feedback and it's not temperature sensitive. A memory foam is temperature sensitive in that when you lay on it, it feels great because, oh, my body sinks into it. Oh, it's so nice. However, as you heat it up, you start to sink more and more into that memory foam. What happens with a lot of my clientele is they notice that their back starts hurting, they're waking up with a little bit of back pain, and we can attribute it to the fact that they're sinking into the mattress too far. They just weren't fit to the right mattress, and what's happening is they're in the wrong position as they sleep. That's why we are big into a latex mattress. The support is far superior. The longevity of the foam is far superior. And if this is a mattress that is for someone that has really bad hay fever or really bad allergies, or you sleep with your pet, dust mites can't live in latex. We definitely had a lot of great questions about the latex foam. If you're going through and have a mattress that is hurting your back, or you're waking up with really bad lower back pain, it's definitely time to consider buying a new mattress. You could stick with memory foam. I actually sell it because there's some people I can't talk out of it, but I will tell you that in my experience, those aches and pains are actually caused because of the lack of support and the sink that you get into that type of mattress. Let's try and fit you to a latex mattress so you can see the difference of how it upholds you and keeps you in the right position. If this video has helped you, please like it, please share it, please help others find better sleep. We make these videos to help you be educated as you go in for the mattress shopping. It is an adventure for some. I know that our customers are always relieved to find out that we're actually educating and not just selling. And I appreciate that our efforts are recognized that way. So until next time, you have a wonderful day. Bye.